Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your money from Cash App to your stake.com account, guys. This is super easy, but for that you need to verify your identity on Cash App because you need to activate the Bitcoin sending and receiving function. So you need to verify your account first. Once you will do it, you will have an access on sending and receiving Bitcoin. And now I'll show you the process how to do it. So guys, first of all, you need to click the wallet button on the top. Now you need to click deposit. On the top, you need to select BTC, and you need to copy your BTC wallet address. You need to send the Bitcoin from Cash App to this BTC wallet address. All right, guys. So once we copied the wallet address from stake.com, now we can open our Cash App. And as I told you guys, first of all, you need to verify your identity to access to Bitcoin. If you have not verified it yet, you can click the profile icon and click verify your identity button right here and go through verification. So once you will activate the Bitcoin on your Cash App, then you can send your money from Cash App to the stake.com. Now I will show you how to send it. So guys, now I will show you the instruction how to send your BTC from Cash App to stake.com. You need to tap the money tab on your Cash App home screen, tap the Bitcoin tile, tap the airplane button right there, choose send Bitcoin, enter the amount and the recipient's BTC address, guys. You can copy the BTC address from stake.com and paste it there, then click next, select the speed and confirm the transaction, guys. That's all. You will receive your Bitcoin on your stake.com. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.